Yo, hello guys. Today I want to talk about how I'm going to approach the markets in the next few months, weeks, and how I'm going to try new things out, my risk management strategy, and all kind of that stuff. So first of all, you need to know I've always been trading reversals, and this is my model right now that I always used the last 3-4 months, 2 maybe 3 months, kind of reversal model. So for example, we have here on Nasdaq relative equal highs as buy side liquidity right here. Here is a high time frame for PD array. We have sell side right here, and market open at this white dotted line. So after market open, we chop around, boom, go back up. I'm waiting for this move right here to clear buy side liquidity. Then I'm waiting for a internal manipulation like this, where one of the assets takes the high and the other one doesn't. So I got an SMT right here. Boom, as you can see. SMT at the highs. Let me make it more clear for you. Okay, I'm waiting for that. Then I'm waiting for a big displacement, change in state of delivery, a small retrace into that, and that's my model. Usually what I did the last few weeks, months, I always had a target, a fixed target of 1-to-1, 1-to-1 basically. So my target would be around here. That's it. And the problem with that is I noticed many reversal traders, or maybe all of them, they are going for higher risk to reward ratio, but smaller win rates. Because catching a reversal is just unlikely, it's less probable. So you need to risk less. But if the price really reverses, then you'll make a big amount. Because a normal reversal trader would target this sell side liquidity right here. What we have, a almost 1 to, maybe if you want to put your stop like that, 1-to-5 risk to reward ratio. That's what usually reversal traders do. So they can risk $200, let's say, and they make 1K. And what I did, I risked 200 and I made 200. So yeah, risking 200, making 200 in a less probable condition, I say, reversals, it's not the best idea. So from now on, when I'm be trading my usual model, this that I show you right now, I'll be going for fixed risk to reward ratios, or at least a risk to reward ratio of 1-to-2. If we have lows right here at 1-to-1, I wouldn't target these. Maybe use it for break-even level or a small partial. But I usually would target something like that. Maybe we can do standard deviation, this move, and target this low-hanging fruit. So right here, 1 to 2.5. So now, from now on my usual reversal model, like I showed you right here, I'll be start going for high risk reward ratio, and I'll be also start risking more. On my XFA, I usually risked always $200, $250. To make $200, that's maybe a waste of time. So I'll be trying to go for high risk to reward on my reversals, and also risking around 400. So I make like 800 to 8,000 bucks. And now, in addition that I'm going to implement into my trading, from now on I'll be start taking some continuation trades to my drawn liquidity instead of waiting to get swept. So what I mean by that is we got this buy side level right here, boom, and this sell side. Instead of waiting for price to go and sweep this, to go and sweep that, build some structure, then take my trade to the sell side liquidity, I will be taking a trade to the drawn liquidity. In this example, it looks something like this. We have a really strong drawn liquidity right here, combined with a fair value gap, higher time PD array. So this is market open, and instead of waiting the price to sweep this first and then take a trade, I want to see a continuation to that buy side liquidity, implementing my reversal model. So if it's quite confusing, I'm going to show you what I mean by that. Market opens. What do? We run this short-term low right here. And then what would also be really nice if we tap into a higher time frame fair value gap, maybe like this. And now the most important thing, also we need a SMT. So all the confluences that I have in my reversal model, we need right here on the lower time frame to catch a continuation. So as soon as Nasdaq clears the short-term low, taps into this fair value gap, we need to see an SMT. So wait, is this the low? Yeah. So maybe let's say there's also a fair value gap. Boom. And wait, this one we have a SMT because ES doesn't make it. And what I'm trying to catch right now is a change in state, maybe implemented with a lower time inverse fair value gap to this buy side liquidity. So here we would have the change in state of delivery because that's the last manipulation leg before the liquidity sweep. Boom, change in state of delivery. Wait for price to come back into it again. Stops under the recent swing low and target buy side level. Something like this. So my higher time frame model should be played out on a lower time frame for a retracement to then catch a continuation to the higher time frame bias. As you can see, on continuations, I will be taking smaller risk to reward trades from 1 to 1 to 1 to 1.5, around that level, because continuations have really high win rate if you have a strong drawn liquidity. And also I will be start heavy sizing on these continuations. Starting from Monday, tomorrow, I will be risking around $400, $450 on my reversal model. And for continuations, I'm willing to risk around $600. So yeah, 5 to 600, maybe something like that. And yeah, I will be catching a smaller risk to reward sized trades. And what's nice is that I don't really need to change my strategy because I also still have my manipulation right here, my SMT, delivery from a higher time frame PD array, maybe an inversion right here, change in the state, waiting for retrace, boom, I'm in. That's the model that I use for my reversals. So nothing changed. The only thing is that I need to see my model playing out for a retracement for us to go higher, continuing to the buy side level. And yeah, that's my plan, my strategy, my risk management that I'm going to do. And also, guys, don't forget to follow my Instagram. And if you have any questions, just ask me. I'm posting some stories every day. I'm also answering everybody. I'm posting reels. I also have a Discord. No members yet, but you can join, and then I'll start posting as soon as someone joins. And also here are all my links. Link in the description. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Discord, and X. Yeah, see you guys. Bye bye.